Okay, so we've talked about the problems that you guys face pretty daily. The solution, or one of the solutions, this is not the only solution out there, but this is the one that we've come to trust over and over again because it just works and it works for our customers. This is the EpiGrid cloud-hosted SolidWorks. And there's a couple different routes that we're going to talk about: cloud-hosted SolidWorks PDM, as well as a cloud-hosted full SolidWorks VDI, which is a virtual desktop instance. So we'll separate those two and kind of talk about them separately, but they're both cloud hosting solutions for traditional SolidWorks. Let's talk about PDM first. First of all, SolidWorks PDM solves the data management issues of SolidWorks, but it also creates the problem of needing a server to host it with all of those other problems that come with owning a server. This is when less is more. By hosting your PDM server in the EpiGrid Secure Cloud, you have far less IT admin and maintenance that is often shouldered by the CAD team. So we remove that burden, less burden, where your team can just get to work designing. And from management to service, this is kind of a shift in thinking because IT typically works as a reactive type of organization. Something breaks, they go and fix it. So that break fix management model, it's very reactive. So we want to move to a streamlined, proactive service model so your team focuses on engineering and not infrastructure. And by proactive, I mean that we proactively solve some of these problems that take time from your engineers: the network connectivity, the SNL location. All of that is just really streamlined and very easy for your team to get a handle on. So they're not solving IT problems to get to their data.